Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Honorable Speaker, respected members of this august House, and esteemed citizens of the country, I rise today to speak on a matter of great importance to the legal and judicial landscape of our nation, the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, or the Indian Evidence Act. The need to revise and modernize the legal framework in India has been widely recognized, and the proposed amendments to the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam are an essential step towards a more efficient, transparent, and just legal system. The Indian Evidence Act, originally enacted in 1872, has long served as the cornerstone of our judicial process. It has been instrumental in ensuring fairness in the legal system, providing guidelines for the admissibility of evidence and establishing the rules by which facts and truth are determined in a court of law. However, as society evolves, so too must our laws. The challenges faced by the legal system today are vastly different from those in the 19th century, and as a result, there is a pressing need for the law to reflect contemporary needs and practices. The Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam is an attempt to bring the Indian Evidence Act into the modern age. It aims to address the technological advancements, evolving societal norms, and the complexities of modern day criminal and civil proceedings. In particular, it seeks to ensure that the law is capable of handling digital evidence, a challenge that has only emerged in recent years but is now central to nearly every legal case. Digital evidence such as emails, social media messages, GPS data, and online transactions has become crucial in solving both civil and criminal cases. The traditional methods of presenting and verifying evidence need to be updated to handle this new form of information accurately and securely. One of the key aspects of the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam is its provision for the inclusion of electronic evidence in the judicial process. Under the current law, the handling and admissibility of electronic evidence are unclear, leading to confusion and delays in court proceedings. With the proliferation of technology in our daily lives, electronic records such as emails, text messages, and digital documents have become critical forms of evidence. The new law aims to establish clear guidelines for the collection, preservation, and presentation of such evidence, thus ensuring that the process is fair and transparent. Furthermore, the bill also recognizes the growing importance of digital signatures. In an increasingly digital world, the use of electronic signatures has become commonplace from online transactions to official documents. The Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam introduces a framework to ensure that digital signatures are treated with the same legal weight as traditional handwritten signatures, provided they are verified according to the established procedures. This change is significant because it acknowledges the need to adapt to new forms of communication while ensuring the integrity of the legal process. Moreover, the amendments to the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam also touch upon the evolving nature of hearsay evidence. In the traditional understanding of evidence, hearsay, the information or statement not directly from the person involved but reported by another, has been largely inadmissible in court. However, with the rise of the internet and the media, the line between primary and secondary information has blurred. The bill allows for a better understanding of hearsay, introducing provisions for situations where the credibility of such evidence can be verified. This reform is crucial as it adapts the law to handle modern forms of communication and information sharing while safeguarding against the misuse of unreliable or fabricated evidence. In addition, the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam also focuses on the protection of witnesses and their testimony. In recent years, the safety and security of witnesses have become a serious concern, especially in cases involving organized crime or corruption. The proposed amendments provide enhanced provisions for witness protection, ensuring that witnesses are able to testify without fear of retribution. This reform is essential for ensuring the integrity of the legal system and encouraging more individuals to come forward with crucial information. Another important change brought about by the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam is the streamlining of the process for proving facts in court. In the past, proving facts in legal proceedings was a complex, time consuming process, often leading to unnecessary delays in the administration of justice. The bill introduces measures that simplify the process, making it easier for parties to present and prove their case while still ensuring that justice is done. This simplification is a much needed reform as it addresses the growing backlog of cases in our courts and contributes to the timely resolution of disputes. The Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam also seeks to enhance the role of the judiciary in the determination of the admissibility of evidence. Under the proposed law, judges will have greater discretion and authority to determine whether a piece of evidence is relevant, reliable, and admissible in a given case. Stop.